When you are talking about solving the problem, it is important that we understand. We understand the source, we understand its origin, we understand its mechanics, we understand its manifestation. The history of our society is such that we have been making same mistakes over and over again. And this is because our lack of understanding of the real problem, of the real issue. Our society is not suffering because we lack logic. It's not suffering because we cannot think. It's not suffering because we do not have enough thinkers. Society is suffering because we are identified with our thinking, identified with our mind, identified with our ego, with the false self. And with that identification, aggression, competition, wars, fights are only natural. The mistakes that we have been making for decades, for hundreds of years, for even thousands of years, is that we have been using same mind to solve these problems. The mind which created them in the first place. You cannot solve the problem of mind by using the same mind that created it. To solve this problem, you have to rise above it. You have to understand the mechanics of mind, and that understanding can only come from observation. It can only come from observation of mind, seeing how it works, how it gets its energy, how its cycles are propelled. And once that understanding arises, clarity is natural result. With that clarity comes compassion. With that clarity arises real intelligence. Real intelligence to understand the problems. And only after understanding these problems, we can make any real attempt to solve it. Without understanding them, we'll keep repeating the same cycles of greed, competitiveness, aggression, fights, wars. Because solution to this problem doesn't lie in human mind, it lies in human compassion. And only after clearly understanding the mechanics of human mind, real compassion can arise. Only after disidentifying with this ego, with this human mind, real compassion is possible. And only with this compassion, this problem can be solved. They cannot be solved by the same mind that created them.